Budget-friendly DIY home decor upgrades. Home decor does not have to be expensive to look stylish and fresh. With a little creativity and effort, you can transform your space on a budget. DIY home decor upgrades not only save money, but also allow you to add a personal touch to your home. In this post, we will explore practical and affordable ways to give your home a fresh and modern look without spending a fortune. 1. Refresh walls with paint or wallpaper. A fresh coat of paint can make a huge difference in a room. If you want a simple change, opt for neutral shades like white, beige, or light gray. These colors create a clean and airy feel. If you want to add a pop of color, consider painting one accent wall in a bold shade such as deep blue or forest green. If you prefer patterns, peel and stick wallpaper is an excellent budget-friendly option. It comes in various designs and can be easily removed or changed when needed. You can use it on a full wall, as a backsplash in the kitchen, or even inside bookshelves to add texture and depth. 2. Upgrade old furniture with paint and new hardware. Instead of buying new furniture, consider giving your existing pieces a makeover. Painting wooden furniture can completely change its look. Sand down old dressers, coffee tables, or chairs, and apply a fresh coat of paint in a trendy color. Matte black, pastel pink, and deep green are some popular choices. Replacing old knobs and handles with modern ones can also make a big impact. Brass, gold, or matte, black handles instantly upgrade kitchen cabinets, dressers, and nightstands. These small changes make furniture look stylish and expensive without spending much. 3. DIY wall art and gallery walls. Artwork can be expensive, but you can create your own pieces at home. Use canvas and acrylic paints to create abstract designs or geometric patterns. If you prefer a modern look, try black and white minimalist sketches. Another budget-friendly idea is to create a gallery wall using printed photos, magazine cutouts, or inexpensive frames. Arrange them in a symmetrical or asymmetrical pattern for a stylish display. You can also frame fabric swatches or wallpaper samples for a unique and creative touch. 4. Enhance lighting with DIY fixtures. Lighting plays a major role in home decor. Instead of buying expensive lamps, try DIY lighting upgrades. Wrap twine or rope around an old lamp base for a rustic look. Spray paint a thrifted chandelier in gold or black for a modern touch. String lights are also an affordable way to create a cozy atmosphere. Hang them around mirrors, windows, or bed frames for soft ambient lighting. Another idea is to use battery-powered LED puck lights inside cabinets or bookshelves for an elegant glow. 5. Revamp flooring with rugs and peel and stick tiles. Replacing flooring is expensive, but you can still upgrade your floors on a budget. Area rugs instantly change the look of a room and add warmth. Look for affordable options at discount stores or online sales. For kitchen and bathroom floors, peel and stick tiles are a great alternative. They come in various patterns and designs, making it easy to achieve a high-end look at a low cost. They are easy to install and remove, making them perfect for renters as well. 6. DIY plant decor for a fresh touch. Plants bring life to any space. If you don't have a big budget for plants, propagate them from cuttings. Many plants, like pothos and spider plants, grow easily in water before being transferred to soil. Create DIY plant holders using recycled materials. Paint tin cans or mason jars and use them as planters. Hanging planters made from macrame or repurposed wooden boards also add charm to any room. 7. Upgrade window treatment. Curtains and blinds can change the entire feel of a room. Instead of buying new ones, consider dyeing your existing curtains in a trendy shade. You can also add decorative trim or tassels for a custom look. Another DIY trick is to use drop cloths as curtains. They are affordable, have a natural linen-like texture, and can be painted or stenciled to match your style. Scented candles and diffusers make a home feel warm and inviting. Instead of buying expensive candles, make your own using soy wax and essential oils. You can pour them into recycled jars or teacups for a unique look. For a budget-friendly room spray, mix water with essential oils in a spray bottle. Lavender, eucalyptus, and citrus scents are great for a refreshing atmosphere. These small touches make your space feel luxurious without spending much. 9. Revamp your bathroom on a budget. A few small changes can make your bathroom look brand new. Replace old shower curtains with a fresh one in a stylish pattern. Use peel and stick tiles on the walls for a spa-like look. Create DIY towel hooks using wooden boards and repurposed knobs. Refill soap dispensers with stylish glass bottles for an elegant touch. Even adding a small plant can make a big difference in your bathroom's appearance. 10. Add character with vintage and thrifted finds. Thrift stores and flea markets have hidden treasures that can elevate your home decor. Look for vintage mirrors, picture frames, and furniture pieces. With a little cleaning or painting, they can add charm and uniqueness to your space. Mixing vintage and modern pieces creates a designer look without the high price tag. Keep an open mind while thrifting and imagine how an item can be transformed with a little creativity. Final thoughts. Decorating your home on a budget is all about creativity and resourcefulness. Small changes like adding fresh paint, upgrading furniture, and incorporating DIY decor can make a huge impact. With these budget-friendly ideas, you can transform your home into a stylish and cozy space without breaking the bank. Start with one project at a time and enjoy the process of making your home uniquely yours. Have fun experimenting with colors, textures, and styles while keeping costs low. Let your creativity shine and enjoy your refreshed space. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.